Angie, and I'm coming today to do a DT project share for Tracy Fox, and that's Love Junk Journals. And here's all her information. She's on Facebook, on YouTube, and she has an Etsy store. So here's the information. I'll let you look at for a second here. So please go over there and join her Facebook group, sub her channel, and join or go heart her Etsy shop because she sells the most amazing digital kits and you won't be disappointed. I will leave her information down below, so make sure you go check her out. Okay, so what my project consists of is her Ula Chic 5 kit and her playing cards, and then some ephemera from her past kits. So we're going to call this a theme prompt kit. So let's go with that way. Because basically it started off with this cute little amazing adorable playing cards. So she had a kit with the playing cards, and I just cut everything out and put it together. And I thought, oh, you know what could I use these for? And the idea came for theme prompt cards to build a theme for either a junk journal, a canvas, a sculpture, whatever you wanted to make. But when I looked at it, I was like, man, it's just, you know, a box. I wanted to include something with it to go along with the theme prompt cards. So what you do is you take your cards out, and I just put some words on the back of them to help you build your theme, like walking on a tightrope. There's adjectives and nouns and verbs: seek, gardener, woman, girl, boy, bookkeeper. So what you do is you just pull from your cards to build your theme. And so these cards go in this cute little bag that I had made, and it says Woodland Walk. So it's just a muslin bag, and then I just put these little bitty bits on there and some seam bindings. So you put that in there, so that goes in there. Super cute, right? Just cinch it up. And then this, I believe, was from her trifold kit. Excuse me. And so what I did is I took her little pocket and her tag, and I made it one. So I took the tag and attached it to the pocket that would hold the tag and made an envelope, I guess. Little pouch to hold the pencil, and I think I might include like a color pencil in this too. So it comes with a micron pen, a number 5, I think this one is, yes, 5, and an art pencil. So that gets in there. And this was from her tea cards, and this was the one that I showed you in a previous video how to make. So basically it's on her tea cards on a piece of wood, and then distressed, and then encaustic over it. And I just did some bitty bits with some string wrapped around it like I like to do. So that's that. And then here's the book. So basically what the concept is, this little charm with a key, of course, with my little ball pin. So the idea of this is a hardcover book that was pre-bought, and it's an art book, so you draw in it. So it has kind of thicker pages. So it was black, and all I did was alter it. I painted the edges and used Tracy's papers. And this is from her tea card. I just cut that out, put that back there, mounted that on top. And then inside is some ephemera, which you don't have to use. I kind of just did this to make the inside of the cover more interesting. And then everything else is blank pages that have dividers. So if you wanted this to be just about junk journal themes, canvas, sculptures, etc. So the idea behind it is to use the prompt cards to build a theme to build your project, if that makes sense. So you take your prompt cards like bookkeeper, you draw your theme out, your words out, and you build the theme, and then you incorporate that to your project. So like I said, these are all blank pages. So this isn't a junk journal. This is a theme prompt art book kit. So anyways, I thought it was just fun to put together. I thought the idea that came to me, you know, off of the playing cards came together nicely. Thank you, thank you, Tracy, for always making awesome digital kits that work to work or coincide together very well. I'm having so much fun being part of your team. Thank you so, so much. I know I thank you in every video, but I truly am honored to be a part of your team and be able to work with your digital kits. I love the style, the grunginess. So it's just a lot of fun. Also, one little thing I did put like some cheesecloth up here and did a spine on it. And then this is also from Tracy's label kits, and then I just added a number to it. So I hope you like this project, Tracy. It was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoy the idea of, incorporating her kits together, because everything just works so well together. And thank you for all my new subs. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please leave a comment below so I can go back and support your channel. What else? Let's see. I'll be coming out next month with another project, and hopefully August. It's going to be a busy summer for me, but I'm keeping up with my DTs, so that is a lot of fun to do. I will be here and there, so just watch out for when I upload or when I'm on a live. Like I said, it's going to be a busy summer, so I'll just be here and there. But I hope everybody's having a wonderful spring/summer. I hope the weather's getting better for wherever you're at. It's here and there right now for us. So I hope everybody has a wonderful week, and we will see you again soon. Bye-bye.